Hello everyone. So I'm gonna try and replace the battery of my Ceruti watch. Actually, I went to a store to get the battery replaced, and they quoted me a price of 500 to replace the battery. At that moment, I thought, let me try something different. Being at home during lockdown, not much to venture out. I searched. I came home, tried and removed the battery from the watch, identified the model number, and ordered this set of battery from Amazon. So I got two pieces of this battery SR616SW for a price of 319. That's approximately 160 per piece, whereas I would have paid 500 rupees for replacement of just one battery for this watch. So making an attempt, let's see if this works. You know, saving on cost, plus trying out something new while being at home. And I also get a spare battery to be replaced in the future. If the if the one stops working after some time. So let me try out my hand. So here I make an attempt to open the back case of the watch to access the mechanism to replace the battery. Fortunately, I have the right tools at home. Having the right tools is most important to make things successful. So let's see. The back has come off. Now let's remove this. Let's remove this plastic piece of plastic supporting the battery. The battery has come out. Now let's get the new one and try and see if this works. See the model number. I'm trying to fit the battery into the slot. Hope this works. You can see working now. Seems to be a success. Super. So the trial effort worked. Feeling very excited. Let me quickly seal off the watch now. The back is sealed. See, so success. You see the watch working perfectly. So DIY has worked. Looking forward to more such attempts in the future. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you all to also try some of these DIY repairs at home yourself. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.